Today I'm going to show you how to make really cute and easy bat hair bows. I think they're adorable. They're so fun for Halloween. And if you're having any sort of like gothic party or just want like some sort of gothic theme hair clip, these are perfect and they're so cute. What you need for these bat hair bows is faux leather, glitter canvas, or felt. You'll also need an alligator clip, hot glue stick, and a hot glue gun, and you'll need something to cut it out with, whether that's scissors, an X-Acto knife, or a cut machine. I personally prefer to use my Cricut for this because I find it to be way faster, but I also understand that not everybody has that, so there is a PDF version of this that you can go download and just be able to cut out with scissors. The pattern is on my website and I have it linked in the description. That being said, let's dive in and I'll show you how to make these. If you're using faux leather and a Cricut, you'll want to take your faux leather and place it shiny side or front side down on top of your mat. And it's ready to go to be fed into the machine. And then what you'll want to do is come into Cricut Design Space. You'll want to upload the SVG, save it, and then you're gonna go to Insert Image, and you shouldn't have to change anything. It should be the proper sizing right here. So then what we're gonna do is we are gonna make it. And my material size is much smaller, so we're gonna have it go that way. And it looks like I'm gonna have to flip my material around, so I'll do that real quick too. And then you wanna make sure that you turn mirror on. Faux leather is cut upside down, so you need to make sure that it's mirrored. Then we're gonna continue, and it's gonna find my maker by my Bluetooth, so this usually takes a second or two. Now that it's got the list of materials pulled up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to faux leather paper thin. And usually default is enough, but sometimes it's not. So I usually like to go with more pressure. And then now it's ready to be loaded into the Cricut and cut. So I'm just loading it in the Cricut and I'm gonna let the Cricut do its job. Now that it's been through the Cricut, you're just gonna take it off the mat. So you're gonna just take these things off. And once you've got all your pieces off, your bow is ready to assemble. If you're using a printable version, I highly recommend that you use a fabric marker to kind of help trace your pattern out. I'll show you what I mean. So I've got some glitter canvas here, and I'm just gonna flip it over to the back side. And I'm putting my pattern piece on top of it, and I'm just going to trace around with disappearing ink, okay? So if you trace around it and then you cut it out, it makes it so much easier than trying to hold the pattern piece to the material that you're working with. Okay. Then it makes it so much easier to go back in and just cut it out. So I will cut a basic outline first so that I'm working with smaller material. Once you have everything cut out, whatever method you're using, you're now ready to assemble the bow. So what you're gonna do is you are gonna have all of your pieces next to each other with the alligator clip nearby. You're gonna take some hot glue and you're gonna put it right in the middle of your larger back piece bow. And then you're gonna put the top piece right on top of that and try to center it as best you can. And once those two pieces are glued together, you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna grab your tab piece and you're gonna put it flush up with the top of the bow. And then you're gonna put your alligator clip right on top of that with the back side facing up. And you're gonna put some hot glue right between the alligator clip and the bow, just like that. And you wanna press it down in real good. And once that glue cools down, you're gonna flip it over, wrap the tab piece back around the front, and then back around to the back side. And you're gonna open up the alligator clip and place the tab right inside. Now what you're gonna wanna do is hold your tab piece in place, open the alligator clip back up, and put a little bit of hot glue right in there. And then you're gonna close it back down on top. And once this glue cools down, your bow's done. Now, I think these are super, super fun and would be so cute in a little girl's hair, especially for like festivities during like school Halloween time. But really, these are so easy, so simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this project, and I'll catch you in the next video.